If you want to make your own stickers at home, or you're wondering how to make vinyl stickers, there are a variety of helpful machines that can simplify the task and make stickers. We have also explained a detailed buying guide for the best sticker machine so that you can easily pick the right one by the end of this list. Number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2 Mint Sticker Maker Machine. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is a great home system for the DIY craft enthusiast. It can cut, score, and write, plus, it has a dual stylus holder, so it can cut and write at the same time. This machine is perfect for creating pre-designed or customized cards, labels, and tags. Also, it allows the user to be creative while on the go, which will be explained later. The Explore Air 2 comes packaged with Cricut Design Space software and a subscription to Access, which has pre-existing designs for use. Many are free and can be customized, while other designs need to be purchased. The applications and software can be easily accessed using your computer, tablet, or smartphone, so you can create while you are on the go. As a note, you have to use the Cricut software to operate the machine, and you must upload your original designs into the Design Space software. If you have poor internet access, the Explore Air 2 allows you to use the old Cricut cartridge system, which you will have to purchase separately. The machine can draw and cut to a size of 11.5 inch x 23.5, but when you print and cut an uploaded image, that size may vary depending upon your browser. The necessary materials, such as blades, pens, and mats, are durable and long-lasting. Number 2. Cricut Joy Compact and Portable DIY Smart Machine. The Cricut Joy machine is a compact cutting and writing DIY crafts machine. It is the perfect size for making labels in a variety of materials and styles, cards of all sorts, and celebration banners for the office or home. It is an entry-level machine and meant more for the craft enthusiast than for a serious crafter. This is mostly due to its size and material limitations. Not to worry too much, as the material limitation is comparable to other Cricut products and the vast amount of materials that can be used with them. The Cricut Joy is great for celebrations. It can write and cut images up to 5 inch wide and 4 foot long and will repeat a pattern for 20 feet, making a great banner. For these long and continuous cuts, there are special smart materials available that do not require a cutting mat. Unfortunately, this machine works slowly for 2 reasons. The first being that you can only use Bluetooth as a connection option, and the second is that there is only one stylus grip. That means that the cutting blade and pen have to be switched out every time. Due to the size of the Cricut Joy, it requires specialized pieces that cannot be interchanged with other Cricut products. The blades, pens, and cutting mats are all special sizes, so it is a good idea to have some extras. Number 3. Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus Starter Kit. Next up on our best sticker machine review is the Sizzix Big Shot Starter Kit. However, this is not a modern machine that will do everything for you. It is a machine that will take you back in time, where you have to do the measurements and align everything before running it through the press. The Big Shot is for the person who wants to have more of a sense of accomplishment rather than simply creating a design and having the machine do the rest. It is a nice press that will allow you to create many different designs for scrapbooking, card making, and labeling. The Sizzix Big Shot comes packaged with pressing plates, bundles of cutters, and folders of different embossing design plates. Some cutters and embossing plate designs are correlated so they can be used for making a variety of different designs. When you want to add to your collection of cutters and embossing designs, it is never a problem, as you can buy from your local arts and crafts store or create your own. However, be careful that you keep the design the appropriate size for the press. So, if this is your preference, be sure to have the available space that you will need to store all of the accessories that come with it and any future ones you may buy. Number 4. Xyron Create a Sticker Maker Machine. Budget options are quite popular when it comes to creative machines like a sticker maker, since a lot of users buy these machines for personal usage. Therefore, we are starting our list with one such option from Xyron. Topping our picks for the best sticker maker machines, we have the Xyron Sticker Maker. Unlike the majority of the options available in the market, or on this list, the Xyron Sticker Maker is a completely manual machine that does not require any power input to work. To use the machine, all you will have to do is turn a few turns of the roller with your hand, and you are done. There is no need for a warm-up time as well. The Xyron Sticker Maker can convert any design into a sticker in a flash. You can place any paper up to 5 inches wide in the Xyron Sticker Maker and create stickers right there. There are no additives needed for the Xyron Sticker Maker like glue, nor do you need any acidic compound to use these machines. when the Xyron sticker maker runs out of the preloaded 10 feet adhesive, you can refill it with easy drop-in refills. Best features, ready to use at all times, can be refilled with ease, backed by a year of warranty, non-toxic and acid-free option. Number 5, Phomemo D30 Sticker Maker Machine. There are a bunch of budget options available for a sticker maker machine in the market from brands like Phomemo. The following option from Phomemo is also primarily a label printer that offers the advantage of a small form factor. In the third place, we are putting the Phomemo D30 label maker. This unit is one of the most compact sticker maker machines we are included on this list, measuring only 5.94 x 3.35 x 1.61 inches in size. The Phomemo D30 label maker is probably smaller than your current smartphone. This machine uses BPA-free thermal technology, offering crisp printing quality without needing any ink or toner. With the Phomemo D30 label maker, you can expect dark imaging results, making your designs more realistic than ever. It also has a wireless connectivity option via Bluetooth, making it possible to pair with a smartphone or other mobile devices. There are over 300 symbols and more than 60 frames available with the Phomemo D30 label maker so that you can create your design with ease. Pros: built-in rechargeable battery, up to 25% DPI increase in this version, BPA-free printing technology. Cons: it cannot print large stickers.